You always don't see land in there, there's nothing there.
Where is it?
This is Langdon Farm.
This is the main road here.
Yeah, this is it. So we will go back.
Is it a real abbey? Good, isn't it?
Nothing right.
Oh, this road looks familiar.
I know that road, that one's to Langdon, isn't it? No, that's the one from Whitfield. We're just zigzagging around it. It is.
I used to write along that lot.
Still do?
We used to write a deal, we used to come around the back ways.
You wouldn't do it now though?
Oh, you've done it.
Oh, that's a nice. It was a good job you done it. It's pleasant.